Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the Windows 11 user account picture on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Windows Start button, select your username and icon right next to it. Just go ahead and left click on the icon itself and select where it says Change Account Settings. So go ahead and left click on that. Where it says adjust your photo, you can either open the camera app to actually take a picture, or you can select browse files. Go ahead and select that, and then search your computer wherever you want to have your file uploaded from. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. You can see it down here in the bottom left corner. And if I were to sign out and I go back to sign in, you see my new profile icon. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.